Hello student, how are you all? I am Shahana Zaman, teacher, English medium senior section, Milestone School and College. Hope all of you are well. During this situation, we teachers are trying to take all the video classes of all subjects effectively. So your cooperation is very much important here. Today, I will take class for class 7, Information and Communication Technology. Today I will discuss chapter 2 and I will try to show here some pictures, some videos, some questions also. So hope all of you will give attention. So let's start. Take your textbook and classwork copy.
Dear students, already you get introduced about me. I am Shahana Zaman, senior teacher, Master School and College, English medium senior section. And today I will take your Information and Communication Technology class for class 7. And today I will discuss chapter 2. The name of the chapter is Computer Oriented Device and our class number is 25. So see here student, first I want to talk about the question pattern. Can you remember the question pattern? I think you can remember because our subjective there is and there is objective. And our objective actually there is 3 pattern. There is simple multiple choice, there is multiple completion based, there is situation set based. So all 3 types of question MCQ question you will get in your exam script. Now I want to talk about the previous class. The previous class we talked about the memory. Can you remember how many types of memory are there? Yes, there is 2 types of memory. Number 1 primary memory and number 2 secondary memory. And the primary memory we have learned about the RAM and ROM, that is random access memory and read-only memory. And secondary memory I have shown you the example like hard disks, there is CD, there is pen drive, and it is another format of hard disk. So it is the picture, these are the picture of primary memory and secondary memory. Here you see the RAM and ROM also students. Now I want to show you the classification of memory from previous class. I hope you can remember. After that I am showing you again this one, that memory primarily we can divide it is 2 parts, that is primary memory and secondary memory. And primary memory again there is 2 another part, that is RAM random access memory and ROM read only memory. And RAM we are getting here dynamic RAM and static RAM, that is SRAM static RAM. And ROM there is programmable read only memory, erasable, this EROM erasable read only memory, and EEROM electrically erasable ROM. So these are the part of RAM and ROM. Another thing here, the right side secondary memory. So secondary memory you see here magnetic memory and optical memory. In the magnetic memory there is floppy disk and optical memory there is CD and DVD. Now I want to show you some question from lesson 10. Okay, already we know the chapter, we know the lessons also, so I will show here some of the important question. Number 1, what is memory? Show by a chart different types of memory. That just previous slide I have shown you the chart. So firstly you will write what is memory. Memory is a space where you can save your data and information. You write this one first, after that you can show the chart. So write very clearly that you can, it will help you to get the good marks. Number 2, write the difference between RAM and ROM. Yes, I will show you this difference by a chart. Next slide. Number 3, write short note on RAM and ROM. Here you also write about the RAM and ROM, that is RAM and ROM both are primary memory. You will write detail about random access memory and read only memory. Then RAM, the capacity of RAM, that it's depend on totally electricity, whereas ROM not depend on electricity. This way you will write part by part. After that, see the 4-number question. Memory is very essential for the right operation of computer. Explain. Here overall you will write the information, okay, about a memory, that is what is memory, how many types of memory, and detail about the memories. Okay, after that you see 5-number question. Write 2 advantages and disadvantages of RAM and ROM. Here for each of RAM and ROM you will show 2 advantages and 2 disadvantages according to the question. After that, come in lesson 11. You see here lesson 11, I'm giving here some more question. There is 1 number, what is hard disk drive. Hard disk drive, you will write here what is hard disk drive. Okay, it's a type of secondary memory. And then you will describe the history of first hard disk drive, that you will write here where first hard disk drive is mini computer and microcomputer, how what is the price, what is the shape, detail you will write here. 2-number question, you see how many types of hard disks are there. Write the structure of hard disk. So here you will write that how many types. There are 2 types of hard disks. Okay, one is built-in, another one is external. And after that you will write the detailed structure. Then 3 number, what is the full form of CD and DVD. So we know the full form of CD and DVD. CD is compact disc and DVD is digital versatile disc. Then you write the working procedure of CD and DVD. Working procedure, that how it's work, how it is made of, that you will write that's made of aluminum alloy, both sides it's stored the data by laser ray using laser beam, all that you will write here. Okay my dear students, I think you are clear. Then 4 number, write down some reasons of the popularity of CD and DVD. So in your textbook they are writing the answer in point. So you will go through the point. Before that you will write what is CD and what is DVD, and if it is required you can write some of the structure. And here another question, write short note on flash drive and memory card. Both are secondary memory. So you will write here about flash drive, that is pen drive. We are telling it is pen drive, that pen drive when first come in market, how we get facilities. And memory card also you will write same way, point wise. Whenever you are writing some answer in point, you will get some good marks. Now I will show some simple question answer that help you to get the good marks. You see here the question, write the difference between RAM and ROM. So I'm giving here one chart, the difference between RAM and ROM. The RAM, first one, information can be read from and written into RAM, whereas ROM, how it's help you, information can only be read from and not written or changed into ROM. That means read and you can read form but not written form. That means whenever you save the information in the ROM, it cannot be changed easily. RAM, volatile memory of a computer, that means volatile, liquid, okay, liquid memory you can tell it is, whereas ROM is the built-in memory of a computer. 3 number, you see the storage of data and instruction in RAM is temporary. Here the storage of data and instruction temporarily stored in the RAM, whereas ROM, what it is doing, it is store data and instruction permanently. Okay, that is if you want you cannot change the information. 4 number, RAM, it is disappear from RAM as soon as the power of computer is switched off. Actually RAM, it's totally depend on electricity support. If your electricity is off, it will be off, whereas ROM, it doesn't depend on the power supply. That means if you can save your information ROM one time, it need not to depend on the power supply. Now another sample question, you see, write 2 advantages and disadvantages of RAM and ROM. Actually in this question I will show you how to write the answer that will help you to get the good marks. The first you will write the introduction, then you will write some short description on RAM, then you write 2 advantages and disadvantages like point. Then you write short description on ROM. That is advantages, here also 2 advantages and 2 disadvantages, and the end you will write the conclusion. Now my dear student, I will show you some MCQ from lesson 10 and 11. I think it's clear, font size is clear. See, number 1, what is the name of the stacked disk in the hard disk? So you see there is 4 option and the correct answer is B, plotter. Number 2, how many types of primary memory are there? We already learned there are 2 types of primary memory. 3 number, the capacity of memory is expressed by what? You see, what will be the correct answer? 1 dynamic power byte, option 3 is bit. Obviously dynamic power and byte is the correct answer. Then you see 1024 bytes equal to how many kilobyte? It is 1 kilobyte. 5 number, why use of memory is essential? For write operation. Okay. Then comment 6 number question, where processor store data? Option A, we know that the RAM processor always store data. 7 number question, when RAM store data? Option B is the correct answer, when computer is shut off. Okay, when you are switch off the computer. Where computer commands are permanently stored? ROM. 9 number question, in which memory stored data cannot be modified? That means you cannot change the data. We learned it is in ROM. So D is the correct answer. 10 number, 1 terabyte equals to how many bytes? You see, I have multiplied here 1024 4 times. So 1 terabyte equal to 1024 multiply 1024 multiply 1024 multiply 1024 bytes. Coming next question, 11 number, where IBM computer company first used hard disk? Option 1 mini computer and option 2 is mainframe computer. So A is the correct answer. 12 number, how plotter of hard disk made of? Plotter of hard disk. Yes, hard disk there is plotter that is made of aluminum alloy, glass and ceramic. So all ABC is the correct answer. 13 number question, why hard disk is very popular? Hard disk is popular because it can store enormous number of data. Option A is the correct answer. 40 number, what type of layer is applied on the lower portion of CD and DVD? In the CD and DVD, aluminum layer is applied. 50 number, which layer is used to store and read data on CD and DVD? Laser ray. Coming 16 number question, why CD and DVD is very popular nowadays? CD and DVD popular because it's a portability, it has durability and data storage capacity. So 1, 2, 3 is the correct answer. 70 number, in which year first pen drive or flash drive come in market? In 2000. Now student, you see one stem. Read the stem and answer the question number 18 and 19. Anika want to transfer mammoth of data from one place to another. There are different types of secondary memory, but she is confused about the capacity of device. Students, from the stem we can understand there is she want to transfer data. Mammoth of data means lots of data from one place. That's why she confused that what type of secondary memory she will use. Now see the question. 80 number, which device is suitable for Anika to transfer mammoth of data? Yes, hard disk is the correct answer because only hard disk can carry huge amount of data. 19 number. Which secondary device is too small but large capacity? Can you guess? What is the answer? It will be memory card. Now, my dear student, it's the time of homework. I'm always telling you that read all the lesson of your textbook and all the sentence carefully. After that, I want to give you written homework. That is, it will be homework, learn and write homework number 12. Question 1. How many types of hard disks are there? Write the structure of hard disks. And number 2. Memory is very essential for the right operations of the computer. Explain. So, students, I'm discussed all the question answer very clearly. You will learn this question answer and write the question answer. After that, if you face any problem, you can write your problem in the comment section. I will give you the solution. Okay. See you next class.
So student, hope you are clear about the lesson. You are getting enjoyed the videos. You have watched the pictures. You get the questions, and I think you are clear about the lesson. If you have any question, then you can write it in comment section. So take care of you. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.